So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this yellow pencil virtual CSS style editor plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So it's like if you are purchasing this plugin from us, then you will get a lifetime update with it directly on your dashboard. It's not any copy, null or GPL type plugin, it's the original one. So I will tell you this thing, how to purchase this and how you can install this plugin in your website. Now here you see this, my payment is successfully done. Now there will be a file, you see this, just download it. Now I will tell you how to install this plugin. Add plugin, upload plugin. It's very simple. Install now. Activate plugin. Now see this, it's successfully installed and activated. Now it will take you to product license. You see this, the license is activated. You see this. Now many people sell pirated items. I suggest you don't buy this type of things, otherwise your website can be hacked. Now it's the authentic one, the one which we are selling. It's like if you have purchased it from us, then there will be no update issue. You will get each and every update directly in your dashboard. I will show you this thing now, how this plugin works. You see this, from here I can edit this. You see this, you can customize this, and there are a lot of features of this plugin. Now you see this, there I got this option. Now if I want to delete it, delete. So with this option you can remove any element. Now this also works like Elementor, but it's the advanced version. Like you see this, Elementor will not give you these features. Just delete. It's very simple. I will click on the save. It's saved. Now I will show you how this website will look. Copy. You see this, we have removed these things. From footer also I have removed the footer. You see this, there is no footer. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and this video has helped you to save some money. If yes, then give this video a like and do subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.